Hey everyone, welcome to the Horror Show. I'm Cecil Laird, and I'm here to do a really quick unmailing. This is, while it is something sent by a fan, I'm actually going to call this a friend mail unboxing because, quite frankly, this guy has become not only a friend of the show, but a friend of mine, a friend of Fuego's. But Rob is an amazing person, aka Rubber Soul 81, I believe, on the YouTubes when he pops up. He is an amazing person. He's the one that actually did this right here, this Pennywise right there on the wall that I'm pointing at. That's Rob. And then he also did the evil grinning Pennywise face that's inside the studio that you see on our review set. That's Rob as well. And he's got a little something in the works for us right now that I can't talk about yet, but I'm excited for when he gets it done. But he sent me a personal package. And so you might ask, why am I opening it on camera? Well, I asked, should I open it on camera? And he said, here's the thing. I would like to see your reaction, but it's not horror related. So here, the thing is, I have a guess what it is. I haven't opened it. It's still sealed, you can see. But I know what a big heart Rob has. And I know what sort of skills he has. And I'm actually starting to tear up a little bit already because I have an idea, knowing what a kind person that he is, what he might have done here. And I'm excited to see if that's the case or not. If I'm wrong, this is going to be a real bogus intro, and you'll probably never see it, but we'll see here. We'll see. I'm ripping it in. I'm being very careful. I don't want to ruin anything on the inside. Come here. Okay. So. Oh, and it's what I thought it was going to be. Oh, man. Oh. So, this is what he sent. Let the camera focus in on it. He did a nice sketch of myself and Lewis. One of my last couple of pictures with him, and he did a really good job. I'm gonna have to frame this, and there's on the bottom here, it says, blood is red, the world is blue, as we will never see another like Table Cat 2. Thank you, Rob. Oh man, that's amazing. I'm trying to get it in the right light for you guys to see. It's so nice. And it's hot on the heels of I've only recorded a few videos since, but if you guys notice, I have a little something here that's a little different. It's Lewis. So Table Cat 2 is still on the channel. I got this from the vet. I have his collar right here. So yeah, Lewis is here. He's gonna be on the channel until I decide it's just too morbid. But this is incredible, Rob. Thank you very much. This will definitely be in the background of the channel. My boy. I do miss my boy, so this is really lovely. I appreciate it more than you know, Rob. Thank you very much, and thank all of you guys that did show your support after that last video regarding Lewis. That was a hard one to edit. I was wailing while I was editing it because it was so much seeing those pictures and seeing my last moments with him, and God, I don't know, it might have come off as a morbid video, but I just love the guy so much, and stuff like this is gonna help me remember him. And he really did look at the camera in that picture. My mom actually took the picture that that this is drawn off of, and she was astounded that Lewis looked right at the camera for the one last shot that we had, where we were both kind of posing, and she's like, "You should look at the camera," and I said, "No, I want to look at Lewis in the picture, because that's what matters." So, thank you, Rob. Thank you very much. I really love you, man. I really appreciate that. Take care, guys.